Most developers are still copy-pasting web data by hand. Meanwhile, a few smart builders just connected an AI agent directly to a real browser. And it works. This agent opens Chrome, clicks buttons, fills forms, reads entire pages, all on its own. No Selenium hacks, no brittle scrapers. Just a large language model driving a real browser like a human would. And you can set this up in under 15 minutes. The secret behind it? Something called Playwright MCP. And by the end of this, you'll have one running on your own machine. But stick around because step 6 is where everything changes. Here's what's actually happening under the hood. Playwright is Microsoft's open source browser automation tool. It controls Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's the bridge that lets AI models talk to external tools. Put them together, and your AI agent gets real browser superpowers. It can click, type, scroll, screenshot, and extract data from any web page. But here's the part nobody tells you. Setting this up wrong will break everything, so follow each step exactly. Step 1. Install Node.js on your machine, version 18 or higher. Open your terminal and type node-version. If you see a number above 18, you're good. If not, head to nodejs.org, download the latest LTS version, and install it. Step 2. Install the Playwright MCP server. Open your terminal and run this single command. npx at playwright/mcp at latest. That's it. This one line spins up a local MCP server that exposes browser actions as tools your AI agent can call directly. Now here's where it gets interesting, and most tutorials completely skip this part. Step 3. Connect it to your AI coding tool. If you're using Cursor, VS Code, or WinSurf, open your MCP config file. Add a new server entry. Set the command to npx and the args to at playwright/mcp at latest. Save it. Restart your editor. Your AI now sees the browser as a usable tool. Step 4. Test it with something simple. Ask your AI agent to open google.com and search for latest AI news. Watch your screen. A real browser window pops up. The agent types into the search bar, clicks the search button, reads through the results, and reports a summary back to you in plain text. This is not a simulation. This is real browser control. That alone is powerful. But we're not done. The real magic is next. Step 5. Go headless. Add the -- headless flag when launching the MCP server. Now the browser runs invisibly in the background. No window on your screen. Your agent browses the web silently. Perfect for server automations or keeping your desktop clean. Step 6. Enable visual understanding. Playwright MCP can screenshot what the browser sees and pass that image to the AI model. The agent literally looks at the page. It spots buttons, reads layouts, and makes visual decisions. This isn't basic scraping. This is an AI that sees the web. So what do you actually build with this? Because the tool is useless without a killer use case. Build a price monitoring agent. Point it at 5 competitor websites. It checks prices every hour and sends you an alert the moment something drops. Build a job application bot. Give it your resume details and let it fill out applications on 50 job boards while you sleep. Build a research agent. It opens 10 articles, reads them all, pulls out the key points, and hands you one clean summary. One warning though. Some websites actively block automated browsers. Playwright handles most detection tricks out of the box, but don't push your luck. Respect terms of service. Stick to your own workflows, public data, and legitimate automation. Here's a pro tip most people miss. You can run multiple browser sessions at once. Spin up 5 agents. One monitors stocks, one scrapes jobs, one fills forms, one reads articles, one updates spreadsheets. All running in parallel. All controlled by one AI. The entire setup takes 15 minutes. The productivity gain compounds every single day. This technology is moving fast. Playwright MCP already supports page snapshots, console logs, PDF generation, file uploads, and multi-tab navigation. New features drop every week. You now have the complete blueprint to build your first browser-using AI agent from scratch. No fluff, no filler, Just 6 steps and a working agent. The only question left is what you'll automate first. Thank you.